Hey, good morning, you beautiful people in YouTube land. Well, today is the day we pick the winner of the contest for the X103W drone. One of you lucky people is going to win this drone today. Thank you to TomTop for providing this here drone. Enough of me talking. Let's go to the contest. All right, now it's time to pick a winner of the Captain Drone contest. So let me show you right now. Where do I have it here? Current time in Ottawa, because that's where I am. It is 6:39 and it is Saturday, June 22nd. You are going to watch this video on Sunday, June 23rd. Let's go back and check out the contest. So I'll go down to the comment section, which is below the video. So down here, I did like I've done in the past, and that is I ask a question, which takes you to a website. So to win, just post the answer to the question below. Click on the link below. Here we go. How many drones can you see? Scroll from the top of the page to the bottom and count every drone you see. That's the key there. Count every drone you see. Write the total number below in the comment section, and if you have the right answer, you win. Well, guess what, guys? They've changed the amount of drones. So when I click, this is what you would click on. So when I first did this contest, there were 10 drones. Then shortly after, there were 12 drones. Now there's a new number. So let's count them together here. 1. So we have this guy up in the corner. 1. Let's go down. Remember, it's every drone you see. That's 1. Going down, I don't see any. Oh, here's 1. 2. Going down, 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 down. Come on, down. So there's 2. Now we have 3 and 4. Yes, you do count them both. 5 and 6. Going down. What do we have? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're at 12 drones already. 12. Where are you? 12. 13. There's 13 drones. How many people put 13? Well, guess what? Not a lot of you put 13. So since this website kept changing, they kept putting new little ads and drones on here and moving them around, I'm going to accept the answers 10, 11, 12, and 13. If anybody has any of those numbers, they are going to be considered to be having the correct answer and they will win. So let's go back over here to my little channel. Let's grab the URL right up here, copy. Let's go to the YouTube comment generator, post it down here. And the check mark is here for filtered duplicate users. Let's get the comments. What are we at? 400, 500, 700. Will we surpass 800? Oh my God. 997 unique comments. This one has the most comments of all the contests. All right. Here we go. Cross your fingers. Whoever's name pops up and has the correct answers is going to be the winner of that drone. Let's check it out. I spy 10, so that is correct. And the winner is Taz Dougherty. So Taz, you are the winner, but just in case Taz, I can't get a hold of you, or you do not contact me, or you don't want the prize, we'll go to the runner-up. Who's the runner-up? The runner-up will get the prize if Taz does not want it. Let's see. Winner! Miran Najoran. I have destroyed your name. I'm sorry, but you did get the correct answer. 11 drones. And the third runner-up, let's go. Here we go. Come, come, come. Winner, Lorinda Fluckinger. That name could get you into trouble. Thank you for the videos. Answer 10 drone pictures, 12 with the duplicates. Yes. So you are the second runner-up to the first runner-up to the winner. All right, everyone. Thanks for playing. And now back to me sitting in a chair. All right, back to me in a chair. And congratulations to Taz. You are the winner. And Miran, you are runner-up. And Lorinda, you are second runner-up. So if Taz does not want the prize, then it goes to Miran, and if Miran doesn't want the prize, it goes to Lorinda. So here's how it works. All three of you, all three, 1, 2, 3, you must send me an email right below at the Captain Drone 798 email address. You see it below the screen? Send me an email. Today you're watching this video. Hopefully you're watching this video on Sunday, and on Thursday is when I have to have your response to me. Make sure you put in the subject of your email, winner. Write big letters, winner, and put X103W. It's written below write this as the subject. That way I will find your email quite easy because I get an awful lot of emails every day and I will just miss it. So that is it, guys. Thanks for participating in this contest. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, the good news is there's more contests coming. We're in the month of June right now, so I'm going to save those contests for the month of July. So when July comes, you're going to see there's a few giveaway contests happening in that month as well. So stay tuned for those. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Congrats again to Taz and everybody who participated, which was an awful lot of you. I've never had that many people participate ever. That was quite a bit. So that's well done to all of you guys, and stay tuned for the next contest. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one.